Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Macele refuses to go on a family trip with Musa and other wives. Episode 22 of UTHANDO NES'THEMBU showcased Musa's desperate attempt to unite his wives and restore peace through a much-needed family getaway. But Macele's outright rejection of the idea has ignited heated debates about whether she is the one blocking unity within the household. In what many saw as an genuine attempt to reconcile his wives, Musa proposed a family trip aimed at rebuilding broken relationships and encouraging healthier communication. But when Macele refuses to participate, her words were clear and unapologetic. She had no interest in spending time away with other wives or pretending that their issues could be solved by a mere holiday. For a man who prides himself on managing a polygamous family, the rejection felt like a slap in the face. His hope of fostering unity through the family trip crumbled before his eyes, leaving him visibly defeated. But Macele's refusal didn't end there. She made it clear that her decision was final and that she has no intention of being pressured into something she left was pointless. Why should I go on a trip with people I don't get along with? It's not going to fix anything, Macele stated coldly. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.